This video guide is about removing Northwhile.space pop-ups. Northwhile.space, a dangerous website that now attacks Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. These pop-ups are very dangerous. Their mission is to infect your computer with web push notifications that may be attacking your screen from time to time. As a result of such redirections, the problem may happen. More problems would come because you may be brought to a lot of suspicious pages in the internet. The pop-up by Northwhile.space tries to deceive you, to trick you into clicking on that allow button. But of course, doing that is a serious mistake. It says you need to click allow to prepare to download. Sometimes it says clicking on the button is important for verifying your age or proving that you are not a robot. But when people do that, the browser gets infected. To deactivate these pop-ups, go to the menu, click on Settings, then in the Privacy and Security choose Site Settings, and now in the Permissions select Notifications. Be careful to check the allow area, and if you find any suspicious pages, be sure to remove them, including the sites in the block area. All of these sites that are not decent should be deleted. After this is done, the problem should be fixed, but it could be that the initial occurrence of these pop-ups was the result of some adware on your Mac computer. So I recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus through the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start scanning your Mac computer with the program. Click on Start Combo Scan to begin the detailed analysis of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.